BJP anti-conversion bill, it is in fact not at least required in Goa. आमकां तें गोंयकारां नाका. आमी गोंया गोंयकार खुशाल बरे भाशेन रावताय. खुशालकायेन रावताय बरे भाशेन हिंदू क्रिस्तांव मुसलमान. And if there is anything, there are proper rules. आमगेले bill आहा हिंगा. Why they want to create this disturbance between Goans, I don't know. See, वो BJP सरकार सदा सांगता. Oh, this BJP party is always against communities. They only want to divide Catholics, Hindu, Muslims for their benefit, personal gains. Yen Goinkaran Chitba Goroza. We are against it, and definitely all those MLAs, we will definitely, 7 of us, I feel that all 7 opposition MLAs will be against it. Even I want to request the MLAs who are there. काल एक पोस्ट येयलो आमी कितले क्रिस्तांव जे आहाय ते भाव आहाय ते आमगेल्या भयण आहाय इन द BJP government. Let us see who will support them, the government for this bill. We are against it, and we will see, because this is only a tactic to divide the amka goinkarank with the religious castaचे रिलीजनाचे डिवायड करपा. सो BJP हितूंक म्हाका दिसता गोंयकारान पळयची न्हू, आनी जेन गरज आहा लिव्हिंग पार्टी, we should all come together for the betterment of Goa and Goans.